Hello guys, how are you doing? Welcome to CoinAZ YouTube channel. Today in this video I will show you a couple of big coins I have in my collection. I want to buy that coins. If you have this type of big coins, I mean physically big, the diameter and the weight, if you have that coin, please let me know. I want to buy them. Leave your comments in under this video, and if you have that coins, please post your coins on my website. I will check it there. So let's have a look on that coins, guys. As you see, we have here big coins. This coin from United States, the diameter is 30 millimeters. This is $1 of 1922, guys. Very huge coin. The Liberty coin, the $1. The other is the $1/2 of 1859. Also diameter is 30 millimeters, guys. Very huge and big, massive coin. Look at this coin. If you have this kind of coins with this diameter, please let me know. This is the Russian coin, from USSR. Also guys, if you have the USSR coin, please let me know. I also will buy them. This is 5 ruble of 1989. Look at this coin, guys. Very good condition. So if you have these coins, guys, this size, this weight, please let me know. I want to buy them. For example, if you have this coin, I want to buy for $300. This coin I want to buy for $150. The Russian coins depends on the coin and condition. I want to buy from $50 to $200, guys. So if you have big coins, diameter more than 30 millimeters, at least 28 millimeters coins, if you have, please let me know, guys. Leave your comments under this video. The United States coin from all over the world, doesn't matter, all years, but it needs to be big, 28, 29, 30 millimeters and more. If you have that coins, guys, please leave your comments. I will buy them, or post your coins on my website. I will check it there. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next video. Bye.